Om Shanti. Today is 4th May 2025 and we shall listen to the Avyakt versions of Avyakt Bap Dada. The original date is 20 February 2005. The heading of today's Murli is Say My Baba from your heart and be a master of all imperishable treasures and so become a carefree emperor. Today Bap Dada, the bestower of fortune, is seeing the lines of fortune in the center of the foreheads of all the children. The lines of the sparkling divine stars are visible on the forehead of every child. Baba is seeing the lines of love and power in each one's eyes. Baba is seeing the line of elevated and sweet words on your lips. The line of a sweet smile is sparkling on your lips. Baba is seeing in your heart the line of being merged in the love of the comforter of hearts. Baba is seeing on your hands the lines of being constantly full of all treasures. Baba is seeing on your feet the lines of earning multi-millions at every step. No one else throughout the whole cycle has such elevated fortune as you children have attained at this confluence age. Are you experiencing your fortune to be like this? Do you experience the spiritual intoxication of such elevated fortune? In your heart, the song automatically playing is Wah, my fortune. This fortune of the confluence age becomes an imperishable fortune. Why? Because you have attained an imperishable fortune from the imperishable Father. However, you only attain this at this confluence age. It is only at this extremely elevated confluence age that you experience this special attainment of the confluence age. So, does the experience of such elevated fortune remain constantly emerged, or is it sometimes merged and sometimes emerged? What effort did you make for it? The effort for such great fortune was so easy. You simply recognized, accepted, and made Baba belonging to you by saying, My Baba. Blessing, may you have a right to the kingdom and experience the flying stage by having a balance of remembrance and service. When you have a balance of having remembrance and doing service, you will continue to experience the flying stage at every step. When you do service in every thought, you will become free from all waste. Let service become a part of your life. Just as every part of your body is necessary, in the same way, service is a special part of Brahmin life. To have many chances of doing service, to have a place and company is also a sign of your fortune. Only those who take the golden chance for doing service claim a right to the kingdom. Slogan: the form of the sustenance of God's love is an easy yogi life. Om Shanti.